Hello everyone, I'm currently headed to Ultimate Express Car Wash down over there, waiting at this light here. And it is a tunnel system that is pretty good. Works really well every time I use it. Thought I'd film it for you because why not? Now this place is not cheap by any sense of the word. The cheapest car wash is $10, and it goes all the way up to 18 and 20, I think, if you count the manager's special. I'll just show you all the stuff to do. It's coming up right here. There is a bug prep station here, but to save time, I'm just gonna skip it. I don't think I need it. Go down this way. There are free vacuums when you're done, like most places like this. Now here's all our watch options, if my mirror would get out of the way. We have a monthly pass as well. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got here. A little bit of a glare, but we'll make it work. I do not. Oh yeah, they also offer the manager special on Mondays for the price of the lava shield. Let me show you the watch real quick. See, I don't know exactly what the difference in all the stuff is. If anyone would like to tell me what all this stuff does and why I'm wasting my time and why I'm wasting my money, I'd love to hear from you. I will get the manager's special. Let me look at this real quick one more time. Just because it is Monday, so they give you you can get the manager's special for the same price as the lava shield. Oh yes, and even with the manager's special, there's still an extra thing for an extra $5. I'm not doing it, sorry. I'm already spending.
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now. Please pay with either credit card or cash. Please take your receipt. Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Please pull forward.
Alrighty. This is hard to maneuver. Well, no, just hard to do everything at once while filming. Here's the receipt they give you. Manager special, $2 off. Oh, I'm about to run into the curb. And now car in neutral. They do give you normally don't come here very often. Like I said, it's pricey. I'm doing this just for you guys, my 40-something viewers, and at a not monetized channel. This is my favorite part right here. And we're ready to go. Alright, it's probably the only time I'll film a tunnel system for you because they're really not that fun to film. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it.